Hello all, I'm Anthony Vibin. I have Anish and Himanshu with me who are my teammates. So I have built this application with the help of machine learning, more of like artificial intelligence. So I have used state-of-art algorithms such as Hugging Face transformer model in order to, extract informations from the text. So I also have attached this video for later purpose. If you want to just click and view it, you can do it. So if you go inside this text prediction model, you have three radio buttons. One is PHI masking, disease and drug extraction. Another is question answering. So in healthcare, if you see, most of the informations are text-based informations, and I am using machine learning techniques to extract those informations. In the first one, PHI masking, what I'm doing is you have two options here. One is choose from sample, another is upload data. So I'm just choosing choose from sample. You can choose any of the text. I've just put 5 samples here. If you want more, you can go to upload data and upload from the Excel. So what we are doing here is PHI means protected health informations and PII means protected identifiable information. So whenever we are giving any kind of information to the client, when it comes with health informations, the name, and we have, Amarlila Hospital, which is a hospital's name, Hyderabad, which is a place name. We also have email IDs and other important information, protected information that is not to be shared. So I'm this PHI masking. What I'm doing is I'm masking the entire output. When I give submit, it is giving me the output. So we can see that all the protected information, such as like the name, is masked, and the hospital name is completely masked, and Hyderabad, which is a place, is masked, and the mail ID and the name is again masked. So we can share our information with a masked format so that a third person cannot get the PHI informations which is available. So this is the illustration of how I've got it. So whichever is location or person, as I told, like I have used Hugging Face to extract the informations, and I have masked it completely. So this is with PHI masking. The next one is disease and drug extraction. And I forget to tell you that, if you want to, upload large data, you can go here. I've attached a sample Excel sheet. So in this Excel, if you see, it's going to be the same. So I'll be sending this. So you can, give any extra informations if you want, or you can just edit it. And once you give submit, it will automatically give you the masked output for each data. So the next is disease and drug identification. So here, if I go to the choose sample, I have given 5 examples again, and I'm just selecting the first one. So this is the text which is given for drug and disease and drug extraction. So, for example, any healthcare kind of say, for example, a medical record or a radiology output or a X-ray output. So, once you want to find what kind of diseases has been inside the text and what kind of medication that has been given. So what I can do is, I can just go here. I can check with the diseases. Dementia is one of the disease. Impaired of say cardiac failure, heart problems, chronic renal disease. So all these kind of information. Say I'll give another, which is going to be, say we have tuberculosis as a disease. Affects the lungs. Uh, we can also see these many, uh, so we have the output here. We can see that, coughing fever, TB, tuberculosis, all these comes under disease. And so it has automatically been classified. So, with this, we can, extract the entities and informations which are drugs, which are diseases, which are cells, which are tissues and everything. So you can also try this with upload data. You can go here, put the sample again here. It'll automatically take the second tab. This is going to be the diseases with the patient ID. So for this patient, what was the disease? Okay, and what was the drug he has been taking so far? All those informations can be extracted here, and once you give submit for all the patients, the output will be delivered. So the next, I have question and answering. Any kind of questions. So for example, this is a question. You can change the questions as you wish, and say I'm going to give what is the patient's name. So we can see that, the Mr. Mark Jade is diagnosed with arthritis, joint pain, and stiffness. So we can see that the patient's name is Mark Jade, and the patient is diagnosed with what? Uh, Diagnosed with arthritis, right? So arthritis, joint pain, and stiffness. I think it's giving a really good output. So here also I've used transformer models to understand the whole essays, and based on the questions, like how we do it in Google. When you ask a question, you get the relevant kind of output. The same thing we have been doing here also, using state-of-art algorithms. So what is the samples that has been obtained? Uh, let's wait. Yeah, so blood sample, urine sample, and joint fluid sample has been taken. And what kind of medication has been taken, uh, medication prescribed, we can see that, so we have captured that information as well. So, these are the three tasks that I've used machine learning to do it with transformer models. So the first one is PHA masking, where it would automatically mask all the protected health information, and it would give a final output by masking the text. Second one is disease and drug classification in the whole medical record for a particular patient. What is the kind of disease the patient was having, and what kind of medication is taking? So we can classify that, and we can extract the information. And question answering is going to be, just give any kind of medical text or any kind of random text, and try to question up, and it would give you the solution. So hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. And there is also a section I added just for, if we can give our name and feedback and submit, it'll automatically go to my database, and it'll be saved. So yeah, thanks for watching.